In this video, I'll show you how to add a signature in Gmail. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And please do make sure you watch this video right until the end so the full steps, and let's go and get into this. Here we are inside of Gmail, and as you can see, currently I don't have a signature, so let's go and create this. So it is going to be easiest to go and do this guide on a desktop, unless you can go and use the Gmail desktop version on a mobile browser, but it is a bit complicated. So anyways, once you're on your desktop and you're on Gmail, all you want to do is come to the top right where you've got your settings icon just up here. Then go and click on it just like this. And as you can see, we've got the quick settings option. All you want to do is go click on see all settings just here. And when you go and click on it, there's going to be quite a few options. As you can see, there's all of this top bar, but all you want to do is make sure general is selected. Then you want to go and scroll right down nearly to the bottom until you can go and see signature. Now do keep watching, I'm showing you how to fully set a really cool signature up. So all you need to do is go and click on create new, just like so, and we can go and name this. So I'm going to go and name this example, just like so, and go and hit create. Then as you can see, we go and get this option here so we can have a whole list of different signatures. Now we can go and type in what we'd like. So I'm going to go and type in my name, so Rob Tucker, and then I'm going to put something like content creator, just like so. But just before I write anything else, at the bottom you can go and change the font, you can go and change the size of the font as well, you can go and make it bold, italic, underline, change the color, you can also go and add links, images, and then you can go and format it as well. So in this example, I'm just going to go and make this bold, and then I'm going to go and make content creator red as YouTube has sort of the red logo. And then I'm going to go and add a picture of myself as well. So all you need to do is go and press insert image, and then we want to go and click on upload, and I'm going to go and choose a file and then show you what to do next. So I just uploaded my picture, and as you can see, it's come out really big. So all you need to do is go and click on it just like that. And now I'm going to go and click on small, and there we go. It fits it a lot nicer. And there we go. That's literally it. Once you've gone and added all the text, you've added all the images, and you've gone and set the font to what you like, the size, and all the effects as well, and including the formatting, then all you need to do is come down to signature defaults, and we need to go and choose these settings here. As you can see, we can go and select for new emails. I'm going to go and use my example, which is this one here. And then for on reply or forward use, I'm also going to use my example as well. You can have that turned off if you like. And also you can go have this option here for inserting the signature before the quoted text in replies and remove the dot line that it precedes it. I'm going to go and keep that turned off as I don't think it's really needed. And then all you need to do is come to the bottom and go click on save changes. It's going to go and say please wait, and then it's going to go and take us to our inbox. Now I want to go and show you what the signature is going to look like. So go and click on compose just like so, and as you can see, here is my signature, it's just here. Then I can go and add my recipient and my subject, and then I can go and send it, and there we go, that signature is then going to be used. And of course you can go and turn it off in those settings as well. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.